no, hey, no, no, hey, no. Yes, this is Miss Sam from Miss Sam Entertainment Show. Listen, Mrs. Put me through to the commissioner. Does he know of me? Well, after today, he's going to know about me because they want to talk to him about the nastiness, what's happening down at his headquarters with him police officers them. Now ask me about a question. You understand? But by the way, what is your name? Miss Wide and Deep? Fit the profile because I'm down there and nasty set of work. Right. Put me through to the commissioner. No, I hear nothing from you. Yes, I'll hold. Watch me and them back foot today. Yes, hello, Mr. Commissioner. Dirty Commissioner. You and your squad them down in New York. You think me don't know what one? You think I don't know what's going on? Yeah. It's circling all over YouTube. It's been brought to my attention. That one of your dirty, low-life demon police officer did a correct rape of a 17-year-old girl in the cell. Everything being caught on camera, mate. Yeah. What's going on with that? He put the girl in handcuffs, beat her up, then rape her. I actually saw it with my own two eyes. Yes. From the cameras then, somebody submitted, and it's all over the internet to try to take it down for hide on the nastiness and slackness and evil works of the devil. Right. Me want to know what is going to happen with that officer, because let me tell you something, sir. If me come all the way to your headquarters, and no one can touch me, and me ever see that wretch of a demon, I am going to give him such a beat down. May I tell you, I'm in a business. Lock me up if you want to lock me up here. Right. Listen, may I come down there, you know? May I come down there soon with a whole heap of protesters, because this is nastiness. It's not acceptable, Mr. Commissioner. You're looking into it. You have to do more than look into it. The man need to be fired, and he need to be castrated. Right. How the hell you have people like that, sir? I work for you. You now screen your officers. Let me tell you something. You see, half of the police them on the squad are good people. Right? But people like him are demons, and there's plenty of them down there, which are rape after the black girls, then when them arrest them and everything, and beat them up, and it now go on, so you know it not. Let me tell you something, Mr. Commissioner. It not going so. Not if I've got something to do with it. Can you believe that? Rape the girl, beat her up, handcuff her. 17 years old, damn pedophile. What proof me of? You know, open your ears, sir. Let me tell you. It there live on YouTube and Facebook. It stink all about. How many know you not part of it? But it leak out. Watch me. May I come down there, you know? Yes, my name is Miss Sam. And me I go line up all of them and bust them up. May I tell you? Nastiness. Well, me and the whole New York, Florida, all the states them know what's going on. Say your police officers are raping off young girls underage. Handcuff them, beat them, then rape them off. Him a go straight. You know, not even Satan want that they brute they don't have head. Yeah, you don't have a lot to answer God for, you know. Trust me. Right. It not going this way. Right. Me I got to do something about it, sir. Right. Hey, no, no.